welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a extreme deep clean just because Christmas is this weekend and I want my house to be spotless. So I'm also going to do a kitchen organization because the drawers need reorganizing. So let's get started. So before I start any extreme cleaning, I am just going to put on a load of towels so that can wash while I do the kitchen. Starting off with the kitchen, I am doing the dishes. Let's unpack that dishwasher. So it's funny because whenever I do cleaning videos like this and fast forward myself, it really takes me back to the days when I used to play The Sims. Comment below if that was your childhood too. So in this cleaning routine, I'm really getting into the nooks and crannies of all the drawers and shelves. So right now I'm just wiping it down with my homemade multi-purpose cleaner. I'll put the ingredients in the description box below. So hopefully my container reorganization gives you inspiration to tackle your kitchen just before Christmas, because it's such a good relief to come home after the holidays and have such a fresh start to the kitchen and a fresh start to the New Year's. So now I'm just going through and wiping all the appliances down and behind them. Let me know if crumbs in the toaster and all over the bench annoy you too. So the way I get my stainless steel to be really shiny is just to buff it down with either a tea towel or a microfiber cloth. So my favourite kitchen hack to clean the sink is to scrub it down with Bicarb Soda. It really brings out the shine. I'm just going through and giving all the cupboards a wipe down just to spruce them up a bit. Now I'm just lightly cleaning the oven and I'm actually going to put the racks into the dishwasher. Does anyone else just ignore that cupboard under the kitchen sink and hope for the best? Because I know I do. So I decided to put my dishwashing tablets in a jar because the box somehow got wet and got ruined. So you guessed it, that laundry's done and it needs hanging out. If I had to choose any chore to be my favourite, it would have to be laundry. And I think that's the reason why I love cloth nappies. But then again, nobody really loves chores, so let me know which is the one you tolerate the best. So our study is basically full of Christmas presents in their boxes, so you can turn a blind eye to that one. You guessed it, guys. Still no couch cushions, but you know what? That doesn't stop me from making the lounge room look pretty. I'm just going in and wiping all the surfaces in the lounge room. Guys, I'll let you in on a little secret. I am the biggest klutz and I always trip over the vacuum. I'm counting down the days until I can get a cordless one.
I care for you, I feel for you, you melt my heart away, just make me say, there's no one like you. And I want it to be true, I need is you. I care for you, I feel for you, you melt my heart away, just make me say, there's no one like you. I dream of you, and I want it to be true.
So our ensuite is actually the dog's bedroom. That's why there's a blanket in the shower. So I'm all for one for using natural products, but I do occasionally use the Earth brand. So I have the toilet cleaner and the multi-purpose spray. Alright, main bathroom. I am tackling that shower screen and scrubbing down that bathtub. I'm just hanging out that cloth nappy load that I put on earlier. So I hope I inspired you to extreme clean your house, get into those itty gritty corners, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.